case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1869, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Hepburn v. Griswold, in which the constitutionality of a law that made United States notes legal for paying debts was challenged. The plaintiffs argued that they shouldn't be forced to accept these notes as payment for a debt, as they believed the notes were worth less than gold or silver. The lower court had already ruled that taxes and demands on contracts specifying payment in coin or bullion were not included as debts. The Supreme Court, led by Chief Justice Chase, had to determine if this description of debts included those contracted before the law's passage, and if the law was in accordance with the Constitution. Courts are obligated to enforce legislative intent, as long as it doesn't contradict the fundamental law set forth in the Constitution. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of the defendant, declaring that they were not obligated to accept U.S. notes in payment for the plaintiff's pre-legal tender law note. The court found that the law was unconstitutional, violating the prohibition against impairing the obligations of contracts. The judges dismissed the argument of necessity, deeming the law not only inappropriate but also inconsistent with the Constitution, and thus prohibited.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.